Today's video, I'm going to be making TIV 1 2013. So let's make it. Wait, let's go for the body first. Like that, and like that, like that. You need to make it like this so it will be the same. Wait guys, there. So make sure to baba this like that. Boom. And boom. Like that. So let's just change cars. We are going to be using, let's just change what we're building. We're going to build Dominator 3. No, Dominator 2. It's color gray. So we are going to be making Dominator that's colored Dominator 2. So we are going to use the same car. Like that. And boom. Like that. So we are going to make it gray. Like that. Boom. Like that. And make it like that. Boom. So let's do the same as TIV. Like that. And let's go do it again to the other. So we are going to make it color gray. Boom. So we will have that. So let's just adjust it like there. Done. And let's put gray here. Boom. Lower it. Boom. Next up is to the back. Boom. Boom. Like that. Don't forget to make it gray too. Let's just delete the box. Don't forget to make it gray. So boom. Let's just like that. Boom. Then like that. There. So let's make it gray. And let's put the radar. So the radar is here. There. And next up, so I think that's all. Oh, I'm forgetting the antennas. Wait. There. Boom. And there. And there. So you have it. That's all, guys. So bye. So I'm going to make another video about how to make TIV 1. So share this, save and comment and heart this. Bye guys.